Hey Alondra, Jessica Peterson here. Thank you so much for speaking with me this morning and accepting this free video. I'm super excited you did because we are going to go over 3 strategies you can start applying right now, and it's going to make a huge difference for your business. And I know that it will because we've applied this exact same strategy with over 50 other restoration companies just like you guys, and it's made a huge difference. Now, right now, you guys only have about 11 people landing on your site organically every month, which means you're missing out on 60 to 70% of jobs every single month by not having these strategies in place. So today, I'm going to give you the strategies, so once you can apply them, you can start bringing in that traffic and capturing those jobs that you're missing. So please feel free to take this information, run with it, and start today. But if you'd rather have a partner to help you out and get there, then give us a call here at Peterson SEO, because this is what we specialize in. And we specialize in working with restoration companies just like you guys. But either way, we just want you to take this information and run with it so you're bringing in those leads and helping more people in your community. Okay? So today we're talking about content, citations, and backlinks, okay? So here we are on your site. You do have a nice looking site. Let's see. This number is not a click to call. You definitely need to make it a click to call. One of Google's latest ranking factors is mobile friendliness. Everything has to be mobile friendly. And so not having a click to call could be a problem for you. I do love that you have a form on the top. So once you do actually start getting people to your website, having the click to calls and the form right here are going to help you dramatically with your conversions. So really good job on that. So when we talk content, content is key when it comes to ranking. Google does not rank based on appearance of your website, but the content of your website. So content is everything, and those are in form of videos, images. Want to make sure all images are saved with your local keywords. So this has your brand name and Colorado Springs Restoration Services. So yes, that is a local keyword, but I will tell you that's not a buyer intent keyword. When people are looking up restoration services, they're more doing research. So you want to focus your keywords on local keywords people are actively searching for your services. So that's going to be like Colorado Springs water damage restoration Colorado Springs, mold removal Colorado Springs, etc. So focus those keywords on the local buyer intent keywords, the most important ones. And then also your written content, okay? You need a lot of written content on your homepage here because it is the most important page of your entire website, and it ties all of your other pages together. So it's awesome that I see that you have separate pages for all your major services. That is a requirement of Google. It allows you to focus on the keywords for each of those pages for your area. And it looks like we have city pages as well. So that is great. Having those location pages is awesome because it also allows you to focus on keywords for your services in those areas. So very good start. You do have the basic fundamentals here, but we're just missing the focus. So you do have a decent amount of content, but we're looking for at least 1,500 words or more. And to make sure that the content is built around each of your services in Colorado Springs, okay? Google sends little crawlers to your website, which are like little mini robots, and it scans through every single image, all of this text on every single page to understand who you are, the type of services you offer, and where you offer it. And so when your information doesn't have all of that, doesn't have the right keywords, Google can't index you for the keywords or send customers to your site because they don't understand enough. So content is really, really important. And having content written the right way around those keywords so people can find you for those services. Okay. If we look at the top ranking competitor here for water damage, we have ServPro. And yes, they are a franchise, but you're not competing against the entire franchise, only the local locations. And these franchisees here have their hands tied. They're not allowed to modify this. So you actually have an advantage over them. So all you have to do is better than they're doing. So having better quality content, more keyword focused, more pages, more long form blog articles, and every one of those blogs that you would do per month then adds new fresh content to your website, which Google loves, and gives you more opportunity to rank for more of the long tail keywords, which just gives you a lot more opportunities. So these guys are definitely beatable. You just have to do better than they're doing. Now, as we know, your customer will do a search similar to this. And when they do, there's 3 main areas where we want your business to be able to show up first. So the first area is always going to be ads. That's going to be cost per click ads and local service ads. If that's something you want to do, it can be really lucrative as long as you have the right foundation set up. But if you don't, you're going to have a pretty poor ROI. The next 2 sections are more important because they get most of the traffic. So this section here, this is your Google Map Pack, where you want your Google business profile to show up for each of your services in your area. You want to be one of these top 3 companies here because 30% of people come straight to the maps and don't go anywhere else. They'll call these 3 companies. So if you're not here, you're leaving money on the table and you're sending each of those jobs to your competition. So in order to get in this top 3, there are several factors, but it includes optimizing this profile and getting citations. Citations are simply listing the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and putting those in a bunch of directories like the Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, House. All of those are really great citations. You need more of those than our competition. Like everything else, when we're competing, we have to do better than our competition is doing. So whether it's how many words on your website or how many citations, we have to have more than them, okay? And then this third section here is the most important section. This is called your organic section. And this is the most important because 60 to 70% of people come straight to the organics. They will skip all the ads and the Google business profiles and they come straight here to go to your website. So when you're not listed here, you're leaving 60 to 70% of your jobs on the table every single month. And in order to get here, it all comes back to the foundation of this website. Having it be properly built and optimized with the right type of content and keyword strategy, and then supporting that with your backlink SEO. So now if we look here, this is a paid tool we use to tell us how your website performs. And we can see here you have a rating of a 9 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google does not trust your website. And that is partly because of the quality of the content on the website, but more so the power you're sending to the website, okay? We send power to our websites with backlinks. So backlinks are very critical, but it's important to understand that not all backlinks are good. They are not created equal. This is a popularity contest. And the fact that you have 815 backlinks and only a score of 9 with 95 referring domains tells me that at least 700 of those backlinks are spammy, junky backlinks that are actually hurting you guys. You only want to be going after do-follow, good quality backlinks that are mostly related to the services that you offer. So you don't want to go after places like Pizza Hut and Burger King because you don't sell food. And those links will hurt you. You want to go after backlinks that are from related businesses, other home service business websites, vendors, magazines, etc. And when you get those good quality links, this will increase the score, which increases Google's trust, and is going to promote your website higher. And it's going to help your keywords rank. You do have 62 keywords that have been indexed, but you're only getting 11 people to your website per month. So you're missing out on hundreds of potential traffic that could be converting into jobs. If we look at your keywords, there's 10 spots per page on Google. The only ones that are ranking are your brand. And unfortunately, 99% of people do not search with your brand name because they don't know who you are. They are searching by those local keywords. And so those are your money makers. You need to be focused on a local keyword strategy for buyer intent keywords. That's going to be like you have here, water restoration and Castle Rock, okay? You have to go after these type of keywords. So you're going to have to dial in your content and keyword strategy and then support it with the right type of SEO. It's obvious you've had some sort of SEO going on, but unfortunately, it's not helping you. You have the foundation set up, but you're missing some key elements. So you definitely got to go back and rework that so that you can get and capture this traffic. If we look at your competition, their location area has a really poor score, which makes sense because there's no sense in doing SEO when they can't control what they're trying to do. But because of how powerful this website is, it is able to push power to the franchisee locations. So this one specific location has been indexed with 74 keywords, and they're getting over 1,100 people to their website. And that is because they have been indexed and they're ranking in the top spots for all of these local buyer intent keywords that you guys are missing out on. So again, yes, these guys are very beatable, but you do have to employ these strategies that I have just shown you. So please feel free to take this information, run with it, start today. It's going to make a huge difference. But if you'd rather focus on what you do best and have a partner in growth, give us a call at Peterson SEO because this is our specialty and we specialize in working with restoration companies just like you guys. Feel free to reach out, ask any questions you might have, respond to my email or give us a call and we would be happy to chat. And I also love to get your feedback, what you thought of this video, so I can continue to make them better. Thanks again for watching, and I do look forward to hearing from you soon.